Alright, Anderson-Forbes here again with another video on how to grow garlic. Today I'm going to be actually planting the garlic. So the first thing I need to do is rake the ground. Garden's been mellowing out for about a week now. Had a couple rains. Had a frost the other day. Now everything's ready. We're going to have about 5 days of rain, I think. So this is the perfect time to be planting garlic. Alright, next up, we're going to hoe the garlic bed. I've got a nice triangular hoe, but I don't know if you can even find these anymore. It's pretty old. A regular hoe would do. Even the back of your hand shovel handle, that'll work. Broom handle, that'll work. Whatever you have. You're going to want to plant your garlic about 2 inches deep, or at the very minimum, so that the garlic clove is covered. And I find this hoe does a fairly decent job of doing that. It's not a very particular straight line. Doesn't matter. Not for my purposes. All right. Mark off the row. Now I've already pre-split the garlic, or as the garlic farmers like to call it, cracking the garlic. And this might be the most difficult part of the job. I get about 4 to 5 cloves from each garlic. Oops, this one has 6. That's good. There we go. Alright, so we want to plant them about 2 inches deep and about 4 to 8 inches. I tend to plant closely, so I tend to plant about 4 inches between, and find that gives plenty of room for growth between the garlic plants. Okay, so start here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, about here. Okay. So you might find that after you've planted, animals are going to want to come and check out your handiwork. If they pull up a clove, and they don't eat it, just push it back down into the soil. Same thing with winter soil upheavals. I've found cloves sitting on top in December and the soil was still friable, so I just pushed it back down into the soil, put some more soil on top, and it was good to go. Come spring, sprouted like just the rest of them. So no worries there. And I don't worry about getting things exactly. I've never understood exactly which way you plant these cloves up, but I find that if I plant them this way, everything happens. Good job. I'm only going for myself and my husband here because my knees would be sore if I was growing anymore. Check out other YouTube videos on growing garlic. You might see farmers with crews planting acres upon acres of garlic, and usually they're on these platforms, either sitting or even laying, some of them, in a prone position. Gosh, that must be tough. That's it until I go to the store and get 2 more pounds of garlic. Right now, it's first week of October. You can probably still get garlic at your local nursery, Walmart maybe. I've seen Walmart carry garlic. I think I've seen it at Hardware. Probably find some at Canadian Tire, maybe. I've even seen it at Superstore, but only in the spring, I think. Anywho, so now is the perfect time to rush out, grab yourself some garlic, and get planting. So I'm just going to cover over the garlic. Garlic bed is all planted, and now I'm going to put some shredded fall leaves on top of it when we get leaf fall. But other than that, it's good to go. No straws needed, as I've said in the previous video. These days I just put a thin layer of leaf mulch, and it seems to work. It's mainly there to keep the soil fertility up, and it'll break down over the winter and spring and just make things nicer. Might help keep the soil moisture in. I'm not too much worried about that. So thanks for watching, and hope you've enjoyed and learned a bit about growing garlic. I hope to have a third video, but that won't be until next spring or summer, when I'm out doing the next steps, if you will. Thanks for watching.